everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be, for me and hopefully for you, a very exciting video. This is unboxing my new computer. So I am a big Apple fan, like a lot of us are. I have had amazing luck with Apple computers, and they are the only computer that I believe that I will use forever. Now I do have a MacBook Pro and I had a MacBook Air, but unfortunately the hard drive just decided to stop working one day. In saying that, that computer was like 9 or 10 years old. So for me, again, the best luck with them. They have lasted so long and I am obsessed, but it was time to upgrade. So I do want to mention, if you're after very specific like details about a computer like this is not the video for you, because I have no idea. This is just a genuine, real unboxing from me to show you what they look like, basic things like that. Now I am in Sydney, Australia. I do want to tell you the specifics that I know of this. Now this computer we got, so it's actually, let me tell you, so $17.99 is the price. However, price match if you can. Don't always purchase Apple products from Apple, because we found it at Officeworks for $1,617, and we actually had a gift voucher. So my grand total for this was $1,337, which is quite good, but definitely price match. So I don't know if showing you serial numbers and all of that is a bad thing, so I'm not going to, but I will tell you this is a 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple M3 chip. It's 8GB memory and 256GB SSD, if that makes any sense to you. I'm not sure, but let's get into the part that you're here for. So I'm going to change the camera angle. Okay, so I know for me that this is completely backwards. Again, I don't know if I should be showing you this or not, but let's go for the satisfying. Oh my god, I'm obsessed already. I was a little bit disappointed the box was dirty, but I guess we can't complain too much. Let's go this way for you. Sorry about the shakiness. Apple products are so satisfying. Oh, look at this. You guys, I'm so excited. So basically it comes with the charging thing, and I guess this is just some information, and then the wall charger. But what we're all here for is this. So I'm going to, oh, look at it. This is the worst filming. Can I just pull this off? Look how gorgeous. I'm so excited. So, wow. Oh, you guys, look at this. I love it. Absolutely love. So this is the cable. This. Wow. How good is just how they package their products. So that is pretty much it. Oh, it feels so nice. I love it. And then you just need to set it up. So that is the unboxing. Now, sorry, you can see my vacuum cleaner in the background. Now, I will say color-wise, so I did choose silver. I actually did purchase this in the space gray. However, before I opened it, I did return it for the silver. I went into the store wanting silver. They didn't have it, and I thought, it's fine, I'll just get the gray. But the gray, when I actually eventually saw it in person, someone I knew had the gray, it's so much darker than I thought. So if you are tossing up between silver and the space gray, definitely try and see it first, because I was looking at YouTube videos or TikToks to try and see a difference in the color, and in the videos it doesn't look like that much of a difference, but it actually is in person. I love the silver. It's so classic and nice, and I've only ever had the silver computers, so I'm so glad that I did return it. And can I just say, I was also advised that all the other colors apart from silver are actually like a dye added to the paint, so they can wear, which I thought, if I'm having this computer for hopefully 9 to 10 years, I don't want to see the wear marks. So I stuck with what I originally wanted. The safe option for me was silver, the classic, and I'm so obsessed. So let me know your thoughts if you have this computer, what you think of it. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Thanks again. Bye.